What a fantastic opportunity it would be to work from home and earn $100 to $1,000 or more each day solely from a phone. If you worked a day job for years without ever having to complete high school or locate a job, you would be making more money from a few applications on your phone. Consider again, I found a couple programs that have been paying customers with actual money to utilize them. Therefore, consider twice before concluding that this is only a fantasy that won't ever happen to you. This brand new app is currently circulating online and making a lot of people very wealthy by paying users hundreds of dollars just for playing games. There are people in the app who have made more than $50,000 on their accounts. I'll show you 7 alternative websites and programs that will give you real money from the comfort of your home every day and within a day in this video. You could be well on your way to earning money online in a manner similar to this by using some of all of the apps mentioned in this video. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Install this software first right away. If you enjoy playing games like Fortnite or Call of Duty, this software is for you. You are rewarded for your game prowess, and the more wins you accumulate, the more money you make. They include every game that is available along with any potential payouts. The reward is yours alone when you take on other games in a challenge. You can anticipate earnings anywhere from $100 to over $500 each month with this platform, depending on your gaming prowess. The app is called 1v1me. If you think you want to make money while playing games, you should definitely be utilizing an app like this. As you can see, their top earners have a combined income of $20,000 to $50,000 on their platform. This demonstrates that it can be successful. Depending on how much time you spend playing games online for cash, this one is quite easy to get started with. If you simply visit this page and download the app, you can be able to start making money playing games right immediately. The next platform is perfect for you if you enjoy texting online. It is known as Premium.chat. It's a platform for anyone who wishes to engage with their social media followers for financial gain. On one network, you can make up to $5 a minute just texting, and you can make even more by making video calls. Because of how easy it is to set up, you might be able to start working right away. All you have to do to keep getting money is keep the discussion continuing for as long as you can once they send you alerts and a new chat request. They'll pay you directly via Payoneer, PayPal, or a local bank account as soon as you start earning. It is an extremely distinctive platform that pays well. This is what you've been waiting for if you have a social media page with a small following and have been looking for ways to monetize your platform. Almost no one likes going to job interviews. They are tedious and loaded with questions, and the only way to get paid is to impress the interviewer and do well. What if, though, you had a platform where you could get paid just for conducting the interview? The User Interviews website steps in to help with this. There are interviews on a range of topics including grub, drinks, and professions like programming and advertising. Any interview you want to participate in is completely up to you. With this platform, you can make $300 to over $900 per month, depending on how many interviews are available online and how many you can take part in. Researchers and businesses who are working on research initiatives and who need access to a general audience like you can be found on this website. They must use a website like User Interviews to connect with the target market they're looking for, and then they will pay you for your opinion. You can check the pay sales for these interviews right here. Some of them can be as high as $350. You won't spend your time searching for jobs that simply pay minimum wage because many of these interviews pay well. You could earn quite a bit of money here if you take part in a significant number of research studies and remain active to maximize your rewards. Next is Curated.com. Online recommendations can be lucrative, but I was at loss for a good starting point for this one. Do you know how you frequently read product evaluations before making a purchase on Amazon? You might be wondering, why is this something that pays? That's because human beings rely on opinions of others to decide whether or not to make a purchase. You can make suggestions to customers using a platform like Curated to help them make the best purchases. The process is then repeated after receiving payment. By only recommending items to online buyers, you might make between $1,000 and $5,000 per month with this scheme. As you can see below, there is a 5-star rating system, so don't assume you can get away with endorsing inferior products to other people. On Curated, the caliber of your product suggestion directly affects how much you are paid. You may start recommending this product and making money by doing to Curated.com. Scrolling down to become a real expert, clicking Apply Now, and filling out the brief form if you are quite confident in your gaming skills and want to earn some extra cash by teaching others to play games as you do. You should take a look at the MetaFee platform. It serves as a platform to connect seasoned players with novices wishes to enhance their skills. A dependable source of income is online gaming teaching, and MetaFee offers all the tools you could need to succeed. The only thing you have to do is to go to metafee.gg. Click Become an Expert, create an account, and your profile will be created so you can start promoting it to your potential clients. The rest is up to MetaFee. If all you want to do is play the game and make money, you should try another app called JustPlayApps.com. This one serves as a sort of loyalty platform for gamers because in addition to paying you to play games, it also pays you for regularly playing your favorite games. The app's objective is to keep you playing your favorite games while rewarding you. In this case, the longer you play, the more money you ultimately win. Anyone with important knowledge should visit this final webpage. You might be skilled at simple graphic design, writing, or video editing. You must be employing your skills to generate income, whatever it may be. You should use Kumunu.com because of this. It differs a little from sites like Fiverr because it assists you in finding the best gigs for your talent and enables you to make as much money as you can. Since it's a new platform, you won't have to compete with millions of people like you would with Fiverr. You can receive work on projects from clients in less than a day. As indicated on the website, if you're a new freelancer or trying to enter into a new gig economy, you might want to test a new website like Kumunu because it enhances your chances of making money more quickly. And if all of that wasn't convincing enough, you got to retain every penny of your earnings. The platform of this website does not extort your money the way many other websites do, which is a key selling point for me. If you don't already have any skills that you think you could offer on a platform like this, it's easy to learn web design, video editing, and graphic design. On YouTube and Udemy, you may even test out some free introductory courses. Your ambitions can be greatly aided by mastering skills that will allow you to charge clients for your services online. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.